What is inverse of a matrix? I already informed you at the time of adjoint matrix, but in detail, like what is the definition, all these things we will discuss. See, a matrix is there A, these all things adjoint matrix is hold for square matrix only, means 3 by 3 matrices, like a 3 by 3, 4 by 4 are like square matrices. Okay. So inverse of a matrix means a matrix A you have, that is multiplied with another matrix, you are going to get I. Which matrix if you multiply you get I, such matrix called inverse of a matrix. So if A something B we don't know what is that, A into B is equal to I, then we can say B is the inverse of A. Therefore we can say that what? A inverse is B, B inverse is A. Right? So A into B equal to I, then what we can say is B is the inverse of A. Okay? Or A is the inverse of B. So I can write as B is the inverse of A matrix. इसको कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? A into A inverse is equal to I. This is the definition. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. Means A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I. See, A into B is not equal to B into A. Except only small, any 2, 3 matrices, A into, like identity matrix is multiplied with identity matrix, you will get identity matrix. Like except some more matrices are there. Only that matrices if you multiply you get identity, otherwise you will not get. 90% A cross B will not equal to B cross A. Only some exception cases will be there. Okay, however, A into A inverse is equal to what? I. A inverse into A equal to what? I. So this B, if you have this B is called inverse of A. Is it clear, this one? So this is there is to find A inverse, the formula is A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by determinant of A. A inverse is equal to what? Adjoint of A by determinant of A. So you know already adjoint of A how to find? By using cofactor method. So there will be A inverse to find. There are 2-3 methods. One is elimination method, elementary transformation method, and one is cofactor method. So 2 methods will be there. Both the methods are important. I will explain both the methods. Okay. So understood what is A inverse? Note down, I will explain more. See here. Now inverse of a matrix, 2 by 2 inverse of a matrix, 2 by 2 inverse of a matrix, I will tell you shortcut, follow that. See here, if A is a matrix A, B, C, D, then A inverse is equal to formula 1 by AD minus BC D minus B minus C A. This is the A inverse. Inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. See, inverse when it is exist means if the determinant of A is not equal to 0. If any matrix is given, if that matrix determinant not equal to 0, then it is called as non-singular matrix. Already I explained, right? Non-singular, singular, did I explain? इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Singular matrix means if determinant is equal to 0, it is a singular matrix. Non-singular means if it is determinant is not equal to 0, non-singular. Every non-singular matrix has the inverse. So if a matrix is non-singular, then only it is inverse exists, and inverse is equal to, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. For example, if I want to find inverse of A is equal to 2, 4, 1, 6. I want to find the inverse of this matrix. So what I do here, first I will find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to what? 2 into 6 minus 4 into 1, that is equal to 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8. This is not equal to 0. Very good. If determinant is not equal to 0, therefore I can write as A is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix, therefore A inverse is exist. If A inverse is exist, we will write as 1 by AD minus BC, that is 8. Okay. And D means what here? D for this 6. And minus B, minus 4, minus C, minus 1, A, 2. So A inverse is equal to, A inverse of the matrix will be 6 by 8, because 1 by 8 will multiply inside, minus 4 by 8, minus 1 by 8, 2 by 8. So A inverse of 2 by 2 matrix is 3 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Means A and A inverse, this 2 if I multiply, I will get I. If I multiply this A and A inverse, I will get I. So inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, if you want to find, this is the logic you have to use. Tomorrow we will learn inverse of 3 by 3 matrix using cofactor method, already you have learned. So using elementary transformation we will learn tomorrow. Inverse, and then we will learn the properties of inverse matrices. Then JE questions. Then this chapter 80% over. Last and final linear equations related chapter is left, that is Cramer's rule and inverse rule. That is the last topic, but that is most important. See here, one more thing. Next month you will be having term 1 exam. Term 1 in the January first week or second week. First or second week of January you will be have term 1 exam. Term 1 exam is 80 marks. 80 marks term 1 exam. Okay, 80 marks will be their paper. So you have to prepare, already unit test 1 we have conducted, right? So term 1 after you will be having unit test 2, then after you will be having final exam. Then 11th will be complete, then 12th starts. Right? So term 1 exam you prepare. Term 1 exam, these are the 8 chapters you have to prepare. I am giving well in advance. Quadratic equation, trigonometry, sequence series, PNC, matrices, complex number, binomial sets. But when you are preparing for the boards, you have to prepare the notes first. Because almost we will give questions from notes. But some numerical everything we will change. Model will be same. And one more thing is what? Offline exam, not online exam. Right? Bye-bye. Take care.